Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Use Case Programming. I'm Tabish, and today we will discuss a new program called Finding Anagram. So, um, what is anagram? Uh, Two words are anagram if they are having same length, the length will be same, and also the characters are also same. Also same. That could be in some order, but character should also be same. So for example, T, if we rearrange T, it becomes eat. One of the word we can create from T is eat. So their anagram, the length and the length and the characters both are same, correct? So, but if we see T and this, we have added extra T. They are not anagrams because length is different as well as the characters are also different. TIT length is same, but the character of are different. And also we can see in the word as well, I mean in the message as well, like William Shakespeare can be rearranged and make hear me as I will speak. You can create anything, but one of the statement, this is I just found from internet, this word, this is statement. So this is also anagram. So how this is the interview question, and it asks sometime, can you just find in the given word or words, are they anagrams? So let's start how we can implement this. So logic will be the first step of this logic is, uh, we should have two strings, right? So we will take two string. Let's say we will take string str1 is equals to eat, right? And then another string we will take is string str2 equals to t, correct? Then we have to check whether these two string is there, whether these two to for being to become an anagram, the first criteria is length should be same, right? So we will check if length of str1 dot length property, if it is equals to str2 dot length, then it is meeting with the first criteria. What is the next criteria? The next criteria we have to figure it out the count of each character in the another string, right? So we have to, let's say we will just move on to the each item we will take from the str1. So we can just take str1 and it will give each item, that is each character. So EAT will come in the item. Now we have to check whether the count of this str1, uh, the count of the letter, the current count of the letter in the str1 and in the str2 both are same or not. We have to check str1 as well. Let's say we will have here double E, right? So if you just check onto the count on the str2, then to whom you are yeah, it is present, but the count is different, right? We have to check whether let's say if I just put it here E, T double E. So the count of character E is present, or the character E is present in the str2, but the count is different. So we have to check the count of each character what we are taking. The count should be same here in this string, in this and in this string. Then it becomes, yeah, this is meeting with the first criteria. Yes, both the characters are same with the same count, correct? So how we can do it? So let's put it like as is, as it is, as it was, and then so we have to check the count, right? So if uh, str1 dot uh, uh, mm, str1 dot mm, we have to take the str1 And also the it can be we also have to change the it can be like this. So capital E and small e are two different. So but being this both are the anagram. So what we ought to do, we will convert both into lower string, so that if whatever be the characters, it will be compare against the two lower. So it's tr1 dot two lower, so it becomes lowercase. Now we have to go for the where clause, and we will see what is uh, how many e's are first item like e is present uh, inside this string. So we will see where x equals to item. So it will find out uh, all the characters of str1, and then we have to do the count. So it will also say, okay, what is the count of this character in the first string, and we have to compare the same thing, this count, with the same item in the str2, right? And if it is working fine, or if the time it is not working fine, so we can say, okay, let's introduce a flag here. So we can say is bool is characters counts character count is same, character count is same, is character count in this loop is same, right? So initially I am making it false. So if it is, if we found it, then we can make it yes, is character, character is same, so make it true. What if the count of the specific character not matches? Then we can say is count character is false, and we can also say here, yeah, and then do we need to go further? No, we don't need, because the point it is, let's say it will have two there are two e present. So this is two e here. It will one e automatically, and let's say if I make it double e, or different of characters different, let's say a or mm, um, anything, let's say T or something like that. So we have to just, we don't need to check further basically, right? We don't need to check further. If it is not matching, just break, come out of this loop, and we will say here console.writeLine, and then we have to just check what is the current status of his character. If his character is true, this means yes, both the words are anagram. So we can say uh, mm, str str1 str1 and str2 are anagrams, anagram, right? Else they are not anagrams, so they are not anagrams, so are not anagram. So now run it and see. ET and T are anagram, correct? Let's put something like double E. Instead of A, I would just put double E. The length is same, so it will fulfill this, but internally it should not. E and T are not anagram, correct? And if the length is, if I change the length, then also it should say they are not anagrams, right? E and T are not anagram, correct? Now, if then the other case where we will have a message, right? So in that, let's say what you ought to do is like this example, William Shakespeare. So you have to just do only one thing, Control V. You have to break the characters. You have to remove the you have to remove the space from the character. So what we will do, where ARR1 ARR ARRSTR1, that we will just str1 dot split on the basis of space. Then there will be two items. Then we will have ARR of ARR of str2 ARSTR2, this equals to str2 dot split. Then this is splitted. Then you have to, what you ought to do is you have to take a string builder, and then str equal to new string builder, and then you have to just create a string again, with the for each of Control Z for each. So I have ready with this logic. I'll just paste it here. So we can just say str string builder and copy, and I will explain it what is happening here just in order to save the time. So we will have the AR string str1. Let's see, AR str2. Fine. So what is happening here? We have splitted, then we are creating a string builder. We are making the string. This is not required. Let's make this as is. Then on each, we are we are iterating onto the array, appending, and then assigning back to str, so the space will be get removed. Similar thing we will do, and then once the space is removed like this, it will finally we have to do this way. Once it is this way, then our below logic will start working. So let's see in this example. So write Control Z, uh, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Now run it and see both are anagram or not. Are not anagram because there is some mistake we have done, right? So I'll just copy again William Shakespeare, William Shakespeare. Hear me as I will speak, right? So let's run it. So let's do string. Let me run this, what I have it, right? So control this way, I'll just run till this end. Control C, and there could be some mistake I have done here while copy pasting. So I'm just pasting here. Now we can just run it and we can say, yes, they are anagram, correct? So yeah, this is the way you can just go through the code and just use it. I hope you like this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching this. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.